Hello and welcome to a special Be Business Bee video. Now this video is all about basically Debenhams, as you can see in the background here. Now Debenhams is closing down today. Debenhams has been in administration and it's now being bought by Boohoo, who are not going to keep any of the shops open. They're going to just trade literally online. That means that the shop and everything inside the shop is effectively being sold off now to pay for the debts that the administrator obviously needs to pay back to the people that Debenhams owe money to. So literally everything is up for sale. Let's go inside Debenhams and find out what it's all about. So here I am in Debenhams and it is the end of an era. So this is a shop that's in administration, as you can see. There's absolutely nothing in it at all. They obviously have cleared everything out. There's a big queue. Literally everything in this store is going to be up for sale. So you could buy the racks behind me, these things behind here, you could buy anything. They will literally sell anything. It's unbelievable. If you look around here now, look at this. I mean, I've never seen the store like this before. So literally nothing behind me. Even the mannequins over there, they're up for sale as well. You can buy literally anything. Now, if you want to find out what administration means, then I've got a video on that. Now, this is a really sorry story because this is one of the pinnacles of the high street. Debenhams itself is being bought by Boohoo, who are an online retailer. They are going to just trade online. They're not going to sell anything in any of the shops. So 12,000 people are going to lose a job at the end of the day, which is an awful sorry sight. It just looks like there's nothing in this shop to buy really now, and this is the final day. So hopefully somebody will replace this large store, but probably not, sadly. I think the way that the times are changing, it's going to be a sign that online could be the way to go. So there we have it. That's inside Debenhams, and true to form, the reason the video had to end really quickly was I was asked to stop filming and to obviously leave the shop. So that Be Business Bee undercover has probably been testament to many of the ones we find, and how fitting that on Debenhams' last day I'm being asked no longer to film inside Debenhams. Very sorry sight, and let's just hope that 12,000 people who've lost their jobs can get another job. It's really sad to see what's happening to the world of retail, and hopefully the world of retail and the UK economy is going to pick up and recover really strongly from COVID. It really is sad to see a shop like that, and especially for the people who work in those shops. Hopefully you enjoyed looking at this video. Don't forget to find any other videos on administration and what it really means, and don't forget, keep buzzing.